Most people get this wrong. Bet you can't name half of these British icons. Only real car buffs can get a perfect score. Are you up for the challenge? Or will these legendary rides leave you stumped? Is it Jaguar E-Type, Aston Martin DB4 GT Zagato, Lotus Elite? The correct option is Aston Martin DB4 GT Zagato. Only 19 examples of this iconic car were ever produced, making it one of the most sought-after and valuable classic cars in the world. The choices are Jaguar XKSS, Aston Martin DB4, Jaguar E-Type. The answer is Jaguar XKSS. The XKSS is renowned for its sleek and aerodynamic design, powerful engine, and exceptional handling, with only 25 examples ever produced. This car, Lotus Europa, Morgan Plus 8, Lotus Elite Type 14. The right choice is Lotus Elite Type 14. The Lotus Elite Type 14, launched in 1957, was the world's first production car to feature a fiberglass monocoque chassis, giving it an incredibly lightweight yet stiff structure. This one, AC Greyhound, Aston Martin DB4 GT, Bristol 406 Zagato. The best answer is Bristol 406 Zagato. The Bristol 406 Zagato featured a lightweight aluminum body designed and built by Italian coach builder Zagato, known for their aerodynamic and stylish designs. Are we looking at Bristol 411, Jensen Interceptor SP, Aston Martin DBS V8? The correct option is Jensen Interceptor SP. The SP in Jensen Interceptor SP stands for 6-pack, referring to its triple two-barrel carburetors, which gave the car a significant power boost over the standard Interceptor. Is this classic Aceca, Jaguar XK150, or Aston Martin DB6? The answer is Aceca. Unusually for the time, the Aceca featured a rear hatch, making it one of the first sports cars with a hatchback design, allowing for better access to the luggage area. Your choices are AC Cobra, Sunbeam Tiger, or Triumph TR4. The right choice is Sunbeam Tiger. The Sunbeam Tiger was famously driven by Maxwell Smart in the TV series Get Smart during the 1960s, cementing its image as a cool, fast car. Is it Triumph TR5, Austin Healey 3000, or MGC Roadster? The best answer is Triumph TR5. The TR5 could achieve a top speed of around 120 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest sports cars of its time, especially in the under 3-liter category. Is this car Aston Martin DB4, Jaguar Mark X, or Lagonda Rapide? The correct option is Lagonda Rapide. When new, the Lagonda Rapide was one of the most expensive cars on the market, costing more than a Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud. Its high price and exclusivity made it a car for the wealthy elite. The choices are Aston Martin Lagonda Rapide, Daimler DR450, or Bentley S3 Continental Flying Spur. The answer is Bentley S3 Continental Flying Spur. The S3 Flying Spur came equipped with power steering, electric windows, and a high-quality radio, all of which were advanced features in the early 1960s. Are we looking at Alvis TF21, Aston Martin DB6, or Jaguar XJ6? The right choice is Alvis TF21. The TF21 was fitted with four-wheel disc brakes, an advanced feature for the time, ensuring better stopping power for the relatively large and powerful Grantura. What is your best guess for this one? Gordon-Keeble GK1, TVR Griffith, or Jensen Interceptor? The correct option is Gordon-Keeble GK1. Unusually for a luxury GT car of its time, the GK1 featured a fiberglass body, making it lightweight and resistant to rust. The body was produced by Williams and Pritchard, specialists in fiberglass technology. Is this vintage auto? Equipe Midget, Marcos GT, or Lotus Elan? The answer is Marcos GT. The Marcos GT was available with a variety of engines throughout its production run, from small 1.5-liter Ford Kent engines to larger 3.0-liter V6 and even Volvo inline-six engines. Are we looking at BMW 7 Series 23, Aston Martin Lagonda, or Jaguar XJS? The right choice is Aston Martin Lagonda. Despite its initial announcement in 1976, the Lagonda took a long time to reach full production. Each car was hand-built, and the complex electronics added delays to the assembly process. Is this vehicle Marcos 1500, Austin Healey Sprite, or TVR Grantura? The best answer is TVR Grantura. Throughout its production from 1958 to 1967, the Grantura was offered with a variety of engines sourced from other manufacturers, including Coventry Climax, MG, Ford, and even Porsche. Can you guess this car? Rolls-Royce Phantom IV, Daimler Majestic Major, or Hispano-Suiza H6B? The correct option is Rolls-Royce Phantom IV. The Phantom IV was not sold to the general public. It was available only to selected individuals such as royalty, heads of state, and dignitaries. This policy added to its allure and exclusivity. Is this classic car Aston Martin V8 Vantage, Maserati Camson, or Jaguar XJS? The answer is Aston Martin V8 Vantage. The V8 Vantage has a strong motorsport heritage. It was used in various racing events, including Group 4 racing in the late 1970s. Do you think this auto is MGTF, Austin Healey 100, or Daimler SP250? The right choice is Daimler SP250. The SP250 featured a space frame chassis with independent front suspension and a live rear axle, providing a sporty and responsive driving experience. Do you think this car is Triumph GT6, Bond Equipe GT, or Sunbeam Alpine? The best answer is Bond Equipe GT.
The Bond Equipe GT4 struggled to compete in the crowded sports car market of the 1960s. As a result, its production was limited, making it a rare find today.
What is your best guess for this one? Ford Escort Mk1, Austin Healey 100 Siemens, or Healey 3000 Works Rally Car? The correct option is Healey 3000 Works Rally Car.
The Healey 3000 Works Rally Car achieved notable success in various international competitions, including multiple class wins and overall victories.
Is it Jaguar Mark II, Rover P5B Coupe, or Alvis TC21100? The answer is Rover P5B Coupe.
The P5 series was favored by British politicians and dignitaries, with the car often being used for official government functions. Notably, it served as the vehicle of choice for prime ministers, including Harold Wilson.
The choices are Triumph TR4, Morgan Plus 4 Plus, or AC Ace. The correct option is Morgan Plus 4 Plus.
The Plus for Plus was known for its spirited performance, capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 8.5 seconds.
Is this car Reliant Scimitar GTE, Ford Capri, or Chevrolet Corvette C3? The answer is Reliant Scimitar GTE.
The Scimitar GTE was equipped with a number of advanced features for its time, including independent front suspension, a rear live axle, and four-wheel disc brakes.
Is this one Sunbeam Alpine, Ford Cortina GT, or Sunbeam Harrington Le Mans? The right choice is Sunbeam Harrington Le Mans.
The Harrington Le Mans is often regarded as a stylish classic that embodies the spirit of the 1960s sports car era. Its design and performance continue to attract admiration from car enthusiasts today.
Are we looking at Daimler Sovereign, Armstrong Siddeley Star Sapphire, or Bentley S3? The best answer is Armstrong Siddeley Star Sapphire.
The Harrington Le Mans is often regarded as a stylish classic that embodies the spirit of the 1960s sports car era. Its design and performance continue to attract admiration from car enthusiasts today.
Well, can you guess all of them? Share your result in the comments below and let us know which British classic car you found the most challenging. Pick your next challenge and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.